welcome to the Kennedy's show. So I have a guest slash best friend. I'm Maya Jones. So go subscribe to my channel. Yeah, Magic Bots. Okay, so today we're going to be making some fluffy slime. So Maya,
where's the shaving cream?
You should have told me this before we started the video. This is not really the best kind of it. Okay, sorry. Okay, so we're going to be making fluffy slime. So the first thing you want to do is get a bowl if you're like doing this.
And pour the glue.
So I got this giant gallon of glue.
How much did you use?
Actually, I got this last year.
You could just pour it.
Okay, so I'm just going to pour
mine
some glue.
Like, pour it.
Yeah, because you don't know how to pour. Okay, that's enough.
That's enough? Are you serious?
It's going to make enough slime. Okay, so now we have to put in the coloring.
Open it. Because I know how to.
Be careful not to get it. Don't put so many. Jeez. Just put 2 drops. Then mix it up. And you can put as many if you... I want mine to be a little bit darker. So when you're done mixing them, I show them your color. So I have yellow.
It's on the floor.
Jeez. Let me get this.
A little bit darker because I don't want it to.
Okay, so here's mine. It's yellow. I'm just waiting for Maya to mix hers. Then we're gonna, so as you see, got she has yellow. And then we also need a little bit of water.
So here is my color. A little bit color.
Okay, so now we have to add a little bit of water. So I'm gonna add a little bit.
Oh yeah, we need to make Camille slime. Because she wanted some slime.
Already got her slime. So hopefully I didn't put too much. That was a shaving cream you guys want, right? So mix yours together, Maya. And if it's creamy like this, then you did it right. Oh, Maya! Oh, jeez.
I got some on my...
Wash your hand. Oh, Maya, you know I just cleaned it after. This is crazy, I know. Sorry, guys. Well, we'll be right back. Sorry, guys. Okay. So now, after we have... Is it like that? Okay, so now after we have added the water, we're going to add the shape.
Are you kidding me?
Wait, Maya.
Okay.
Have to shake it up really good. Sorry, guys, like this shaving cream doesn't... Okay, there we go. Okay, you ready? Okay, here. Then I'm going to mix mine. Okay, Maya. Okay, Maya.
It's too much.
Make sure I'm mine. And you can add as much shaving cream as you want. So I just added some more shaving cream. You need some more shaving cream, Maya. Let me see.
That's enough.
Oh. So you want to make sure yours is really fluffy. You actually really want to get fluffy.
We're going to put crunchy slime.
Mama, you said you didn't want to make crunchy slime. No, we're not making crunchy slime.
Okay.
Okay, so... Okay, Emma, let me see you real quick. You need more because it's supposed to be like not dark. Okay, that's good. Okay. So now we have that. Now we're going to put our stuff on. I know it's really dirty because I got my slime. But I just got it at Family Dollar.
See if it coming out.
So mix it up. See, it should be like coming together. You guys see, like mine's coming together. See,
Mine too.
yeah, mine is coming together as well. This stinks.
Wow, the stuff fun.
The slime. And for the kneading part, we're gonna use some gloves.
Yeah, we're gonna use a lot.
So like, show them the thing, Maya, and do that thing you just did. So like, here's mine. Like, oh, Jesus. So make sure there's no clumps in it.
It has to get all over the bowl.
Yeah. Make sure you get all over the bowl. You get a little bit more.
Because mine is really sticky.
Yours is working, Maya. No, don't touch it.
I just touch it.
Why? So you want to see like mine is like going all over the bowl. So it looks ready, but it's not. Okay, you guys. You want to knead it with our hand, Maya?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna put this in the trash can. Stick it in the trash can, Maya. Let's get kneading. Okay, so I don't know why I did this, but don't worry about it. Here we go. Okay.
More slime. Let's make more
Now
slime.
mix it up with the stuff. Mine is working. Let me see yours, Maya. Jeez. How much did I have?
I don't know.
Okay, it's working. Just gotta keep eating. Oh, you added glue to mine. Thanks a lot. I'm picking up and kneading mine.
Ew.
Oh, keep kneading, Maya.
You kidding me? It's so sticky. I want to make more slime.
No, Maya.
Please.
Put the caps. So if see, that's what I was talking about.
Please.
It's working, Maya.
I've been doing it.
So is your slime ready, Maya? So here's our fluffy slime. So I have yellow, she has blue. So I'm gonna So let me show you some ASMR. So move the bowls over there. Okay, ASMR. Shh. So first, shh. Maya, don't. Maya, shh.
It's not even sticky. Are you gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah. Okay, my turn. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a
Big thumbs up, subscribe if you know. And bye, you guys.
bye. See you guys next time. Subscribe.